So for this assignment right now, what I'd like you to do is go into Science 10, the Climate Change is a Hoax blog, okay, the threads. So right now we're just making sure you know how to use it and that the information you had from yesterday during your research piece is what you can use to answer the questions. Okay, so really you get 5 points, just like how you did took a picture of your notes yesterday and sent them to me or put them on a Flipgrid. Okay, this one is showing that you know how to use this program. Okay, so what you need to do, because this won't show up yet, you are going to click this comments button and this is what will pop up. So I put these two as a sample. Okay, so this is a main heading, this is a main heading for different questions. Okay, and this one is if you want to reply, you can either reply within this thread here to answer these questions, okay, and reply within this section to answer those questions. And then over here, you can start your own heading. Okay, so not a difficult assignment here. And I'm going to take this off the side probably. And that's what you need to do, please. Just so you know, they're also moderated. So if it doesn't pop up right away, that's because I have to open them in and approve it. Okay, so I'll be approving them as you guys are working on that.